Hi, this is Natasha Copeland and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. This channel we do makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. Now we talk about most time about makeup and other times just about things that I've bought along the way. And talk a little. And this is what I bought. Some nice stuff. Hair stuff. This one is by Kendall Jenner with Formwell. So I needed a new presser for my hair because my last one got stolen by my niece and I hadn't replaced it for a while. So I ain't gonna say which niece it is. She know who she is when she watching this. So that's what I bought. Then I turned around and got this here, the MTV bag. And it's a bag. What it looks like within a bag, but it doesn't pull out. And this is how it looks. I like this. This is so cute. This is so adorable. I'm gonna enjoy wearing this. I like stuff like that. But I didn't just buy that by itself. I had to get some shoes to match. Let's look here. Isn't he cute? Isn't it just so cute? Look at that. And it goes with the purse. Oh, look at that. So let's put the purse next to it. Look at that. That matches. That don't it? That goes together swimmingly. So cute. I'm gonna enjoy wearing this. Oh my goodness, the boots are just in the purse. Oh my goodness, especially the shoes. I love pink. I don't like that pastel pink. The palest pink, because pastel pink is cute, but it's the pink that's underneath that is even lighter. I cannot stand it. It looks disgusting, like Pepto Bismol almost. But I'm gonna enjoy wearing this. Yes, I am. Right? So the next things I got. Let me bring it to it. Uggs. Did you see that? Uggs, my third pair of Uggs. Orange. I have this dress that I picked up in Phoenix. In 2011. And it's got orange accents throughout it. So I had a pair of orange shoes. Well, I still have them. But it cuts through the top of my foot. It just makes me feel like my foot has been cut wide open. So I said, okay, it's a summer dress. I got it from H&M. Why not buy some orange shoes that I can really relax in and enjoy? So I decided to pick up these here Uggs. And I think I got these for like, it was $120. I think I got overcharged for it. And so this is the Uggs. That is so cute. Now, what I'm about to show you here comes from eBay. You see that? There's not another one like it. This is a OOA, one of a kind, handmade. Isn't it cute?